Open your eyes, you slept like the dead. It's time to start your day, you sleepyhead. Your breath is terrible, toothbrush makes it bearable. Brushy, brushy, now don't you rushy, you don't wanna get cavities. Eating toast, oh look, you're about to take another bite. Even though you don't have much of an appetite. Walking around, he takes a step with his right foot, a step with his left foot. What could you be doing in there? I've heard some noises and some smells coming through the door. Oh wait, that's the toilet flush. Oh, there you are. It's time for bed.